Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Codeless Magics. In the previous video, we have discussed about what is n8n, its benefits and its use cases. In this video, we are gonna see how to set up n8n. So to set up n8n, search render on Google, open render.com. So render is a free hosting platform. You can host your web services for free. Click on. So if you don't have any account on render, please create one. So after creation of account, click on new, go to the dashboard of render and click on new, and you can see here web service. Click on web service. Here click on existing image and type docker.io slash n8n io slash n8n. This is the doc, and after here keep the instance type as free, so it charges $0 per month. Click on deploy web service. Just wait until the service is live. So when you see the message your server is live, click on the above link which contains the hosted site. So you are getting a error, cannot get. Just refresh it. So give the email, first name and last name. Give some password. Click on next. And from here, click on create workflow. So finally, this is your n8n workflow editor. You can see here, you can add your steps here. These are the various nodes which are available. So that's it about the setup, and we'll see how to work with n8n in the next videos.